Welcome to CRJ 151, Drugs and Crime, and this week we're taking a look at Chapter 4, which explores different methods of research and how do we know that certain information that we're provided about drug use and abuse, how do we know it's true? So really the objective of this chapter is to introduce and then summarize the major ongoing systematic government-sponsored data sources that are available to us and which can inform really the interested observed of the reality of drug abuse. Now each source has of course its strengths and weaknesses and each has to be looked at with caution, although when you put them all together and you look at them as a whole, which is what the book refers to as triangulation, what they really do is yield a more complete picture than any single one of them do, taken alone by themselves. Now by research has certain problems of the possibility that respondents could lie, which then has to be overcome by researchers being very resourceful, although it's less common than probably what the uninformed observer realizes. There's also sampling, which has to be done systematically and has to be planned out. And then there's statistics, which really have to be understood to be interpreted correctly. One of those is the ATOM monitoring program that looks at drug use as measured by both questionnaires and drug tests of people who've actually been arrested. And that's a nationwide program. Now DAWN looks at drug-related causes of emergency department episodes or emergency room visits. And then also looks at the drug tests of deceased persons who died of drug-related causes as performed by medical examiners. Now the MTF, or Monitoring the Future survey, is a yearly survey that looks at 8th grade, 10th grade, and 12th grade students. And then the NSDUH survey is an ongoing survey on drug use that's conducted periodically amongst the population at large, not just young people. So together, all of those different data sources give us a more complete, more full picture of drug use in the United States. Now next week we'll take a look at Chapter 5, which is going to expand on this and look at what are some of the historical trends in drug consumption.